Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is adjective phrase 135. The adjective phrase today is slow motion. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. All right, now, slow motion is a technique or method in filming where the scenes are actually slowed and stretched out so the viewer can see things one could not normally see because the action is too fast. Okay, and we have a second meaning, by extension, we use the term slow motion to mean someone or something is moving or operating at a much less than the normal, usual, or desired speed, often used in a humorous way. So we often use it in a way that we are kind of joking or to make it sound funny. Let's continue. The technique of slow motion in filming dates back to the early 1900s and, surprisingly, was invented by an Austrian priest, August Musker. It is done through using high-speed cameras and then playing the footage at a normal speed to get the desired result. Okay, let's continue. And we got 5 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. Sports broadcasts will often show a slow-motion replay so sports fans can see the action for themselves and judge whether an umpire or referee made the proper call. Yeah, so especially if you're watching on TV, you definitely get to see this. But even at the stadium, sometimes on the big, billboard, they might re-show the replay. Or it's not only just for close calls. Sometimes, if it was just a great catch, maybe some outfielder made a great diving catch and they can slow down the action and you can actually see the ball landing into his glove, to have a much more exciting effect. All right. So it's used in all sports like this. Number 2, in that movie, they used a slow motion effect on the crash scene so the audience could see every action that took place. A crash scene in real life, the crash is too fast. You can't really see very much at all. But in the movie, maybe they'll have the car spinning around and they'll show you the people inside with a shocked look on their face or, as it crashes or hits, something like that. They will do that for, a special effect, to emphasize it, basically. All right, let's continue. Number 3. I had a dream in which I felt like I was falling in slow motion. Yeah, sometimes you hear people say that they had a dream where they were falling, but it's not like they fall very fast and, hit the ground in 2 seconds. In dreams, it's often in slow motion, so you might hear somebody describe it that way. All right, number 4. Come on, stop moving in slow motion. Yeah, we often say in slow motion. We only have 20 minutes to get this house clean before the guests arrive. Yeah. So it became so common that we've seen it in movies and film and stuff that we often might say, like somebody is moving in slow motion, or at least it feels like that way. Again, we say it, to be funny or to emphasize it. And the last one here, there is so much red tape in government, it feels like things move through the government in slow motion. And things take a lot longer than we think they should take. So we sometimes feel like the government moves in slow motion. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.